What are we looking at, Matthew? What are we looking at? What is that? Tell me. It's a backhoe? That's not a backhoe. Let's go to a good page. You tell me what you see on here. Let's find one that looks like a good one. Oh, there's a good one. Can you tell me where is do you see a yellow tractor? No, that's a green tractor. Where's the yellow tractor?
Right here.
That's a red. Where's the yellow? Combine. Where do you see a sprayer? Where's the sprayer? Yep, very good. Where's the corn planter? Do you see a corn planter? Look over here. Yeah. Do you see a blue tractor? Where's the blue tractor? Very good. Where's a red tractor? Very good. Where's the yellow tractor? Where's yellow? Hey, where's the yellow tractor? Where's the yellow tractor? Yellow. Is that a yellow tractor?
Yeah.
Where's a red combine? Where? Mommy didn't see it. Show me again.
Mom.